I work a lot with product development. So we are working on new products that are still in the works. I communicate with our other headquarters to get these products developed and tested and integrated with other products, and also research, where I research new developments in technology, in other products, competitors, otherwise, and kind of explore what could be out there that we could expand on for our own products. It's changed my perspective on how a product is made. I can see that what engineering feats were overcome by making this product, and kind of learn from that. And I just pretty much see everything in a different way now, because I think about all the things behind the scenes. Where it comes from, where does it start? Where is the blank material, and how does it become this final product?